In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Samsung voice recorder and install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app in the pop-up. And as you can see, recording is now on. If you want to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by tapping on this middle button. In order to add a bookmark, you need to turn on recording, tap on this left icon, type in wherever you wish to or not at all, and choose OK. In order to delete it right away, pause it, click on Discard option on the left, and tap on Delete in the pop-up. In order to end it and save it though, click on the track mark right away on the right, or pause your recording and click on check mark then. Now click on Save at the top right corner. And as you can see, my recording was successfully created. If you want to play it, click on it. If you want to rename it, tap on those three dots, tap on Rename section, and type in wherever you wish to. Then click on OK. You can also edit it by tapping on the same three dots, choosing Edit option, and doing wherever you wish to. To save your changes, click on this icon at the top right corner. Then hit Save at the bottom. Now you can get rid of your recording by holding it, choosing this bin icon at the top right corner, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. You can also delete it by tapping on those three dots once again, clicking on Delete option, and tapping on Delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!